Hello my dear friends. Hope you are doing wonderful. Often we come across a situation where we need to leave our phone with our spouse or friends. They can easily spy on our private WhatsApp messages, Facebook or Instagram activities, especially when they have our screen lock password. In this video we will see how to set up a separate password or lock the private apps on your Android phone, so that others cannot spy on you, even if they have your lock screen password. Some of the phones comes with inbuilt applock software. Check your phone if you have a one. But don't worry if you do not have, we will see other options. We are going to install an app and do a setup that safeguards your privacy. As with all my previous app recommendations, I always prefer best free apps that does not annoy you with advertisements. The app that we are going to install is Norton Applock. It is absolutely free, and it is from Norton, one of the most reputed security software developers. Let's go ahead and install the same from Play Store. Open the app. Provide all required permissions for the app to work. Here we are going to set up a password for our private apps. This can be a pattern or passcode. If you need a passcode, click over here and set up the same. Now you have to link a Google account to this app. This will be used for password reset, in case you have forgot your passcode or pattern. By default, Norton App Lock and settings are enabled for lock. Please do not change it. Now enable the lock for all your private apps, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram or any app that you want. Hereafter, even if someone knows your screen lock password, they cannot spy on your activities on your private apps. You can click on three-line menu icon of this app, and go to Settings. Here you can enable or disable additional features, such as Fingerprint unlock. Sneak Peek is another great feature. It takes a picture of the person who is trying to access your private apps. That's all I have for today. Hope it was helpful. Do share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.